So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Bluetooth driver on Windows PC. So there are two ways to install Bluetooth driver. First, through Windows Update. Press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now here on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Now your Windows PC will search for update. Once the update is available, click on download and install. Once all the updates are installed, this will also install Bluetooth driver. Well, you can also install Bluetooth driver from the website. Let's see how. Open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Now here click on this first link. Now here click on download button. Click on I accept. Now here click on unverified download blocked. Click on download unverified file. And this will start downloading Bluetooth driver. Once done, launch the setup. In the UAC prompt, click on yes. Now here click on yes. Click on next. Now click on next. Click on I accept. Click on next again. Now here click on complete. Click on install. And this will start installing Bluetooth driver. Now here click on finish. And this will install Bluetooth driver on your Windows PC. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.